Listening and speaking practice. Hello everyone. Today we are going to practice our listening and speaking skills to improve our pronunciation.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled amidst rolling hills, lived a couple named Sarah and Jack. They were deeply in love, sharing a passion for exploration and an insatiable wanderlust. With their hearts intertwined and a burning desire for adventure, they embarked on a journey that would weave their lives together in the most extraordinary ways. Sarah and Jack met by chance during a backpacking trip through Europe. Their connection was instantaneous, as if fate had intervened to bring them together. It was amidst the charming streets of Paris, beneath the twinkling lights of the Eiffel Tower, that they sealed their love with a kiss. From that day forward, Sarah and Jack became inseparable travel companions. They delighted in immersing themselves in the vibrant cultures and breathtaking landscapes of far-flung destinations. With a map in one hand and each other's hand in the other, they explored the world with wide-eyed wonder. Their travels took them to the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, where they marveled at the beauty and grandeur of a civilization long gone. In the scorching deserts of Morocco, they rode camels and slept under the star-studded skies, basking in the romance of the Sahara. In the bustling streets of Tokyo, they savored the exquisite taste of sushi and found solace in the tranquil gardens of Kyoto. Together, they climbed the mighty peaks of the Himalayas, conquering fears and celebrating their triumphs as they reached each summit. But it wasn't just the majestic sights that defined their love story. It was the shared laughter, the quiet moments of solace, and the countless memories etched in their hearts. Sarah and Jack discovered that love is not merely found in a single destination but in the journey itself. As the years rolled by, Sarah and Jack continued to explore the world hand in hand. They aged gracefully, their eyes twinkling with the wisdom of 1,000 stories and their hearts overflowing with the love they had nurtured. And when the time came for them to settle down in the town where their love story began, they realized that their greatest adventure was right at home. They filled their humble abode with souvenirs and photographs, transforming it into a treasure trove of memories. People would often gather around the fireplace, captivated by Sarah and Jack's tales of adventure. Their love story became a legend, a testament to the power of love and the magic of travel. And as the flame danced in the hearth, they would look at each other, knowing that their journey had been nothing short of extraordinary. In the end, Sarah and Jack taught the world that love and travel are two souls destined to intertwine. Their story echoed through time, inspiring others to embrace both the wanderlust within their hearts and the love that fuels their spirits.
Thank you for watching the video. I ask that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified when new videos are released.